I'm Ty with WTI. My little Rupert is so adorable. He's so cute, but his breath could knock somebody out. This is why I purchased this Arm & Hammer Complete Care Dental Kit. I love using this stuff because it makes his breath smell so much better, and I can actually tolerate him after I brush his teeth with this stuff. I like that it comes with this finger held brush so that if you have a smaller dog or one that is very sensitive to the brushes, then this is a good one. And there is a bigger brush on this side if your dog is larger and a smaller brush if he's tinier. I love that. So if you're looking for one, this is a really good dental kit to have. And that's my point of view.